In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set 404 page in Framer. A great 404 page helps visitors find their way when they land on a broken or missing link, and in Framer, it's quick to set up using a ready-made component. Start by heading to framer.com and sign in so you can access your work. Open the project where you want to add the not found page and make sure you're on the canvas view, since that's where we'll bring everything together. Keep your project open because we'll return to it in a moment. Next, open a new browser tab and go to google.com. In the search bar, type 404 page for Framer. You'll see a few options, and the one we want is called 404 UI Components and Animations. This type of resource gives you professional, pre-built designs that you can reuse inside your site, saving you from starting from scratch. Click into that collection, browse through the styles, and choose a template that matches your brand tone, minimal, playful, or bold. When you've found the one you like, open it. Most libraries include a simple way to bring assets into your project. Look for the option to copy the component. Click Copy Component and then switch back to your Framer tab. Now, add a new page to your site. In the Pages panel, create a fresh page and give it a simple, clear name, 404. Keep it at the top level of your site structure rather than nesting it under another page. In Framer, using the exact name 404 is important because it signals that this page should be used as the not found fallback for your site. With the page created, paste the component you copied earlier onto the canvas. You should see the full 404 layout appear right away. From here, resize it so it fits your design system. Drag the edges to match your page width and set constraints so it behaves well across screen sizes. If the component has text and images, adjust the typography, colors, and copy to reflect your brand voice. Make sure any buttons point to helpful destinations like your homepage or a popular collection. Take a moment to check how it scales. Use the canvas resizing handles to view smaller breakpoints and ensure nothing overlaps or gets cut off. A polished 404 should be readable, informative, and quick to navigate. That's it. You've added a dedicated 404 page in Framer by pulling in a quality component, creating a page named 404, and resizing it to fit your site. Clean, clear, and ready for those rare off-road moments.